Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to count unique values in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So you can see here first name and last name. So in first name you can see Mia and Eva are of 2 times. So if you want to count the unique values or unique text, so write the formula of counting unique values. So formula is equal and sum product. So when you will write sum, Excel will automatically suggest different formula. So click on sum product formula. So after that write 1 and then use slash symbol for dividing. So after that write the formula of count if. So when you will write here count, so you can see Excel again suggests the formula. So click on count if formula. So after that select the range where you want to count unique values, because I want to count unique values from the first name. So that's why I am selecting the range from the first name. So after that you can see I selected B3 to B12 cell. So after that use the comma and then repeat same range. So you can see my range is B3 to B12. So that's why I am copying this. So after that repeat again same range and then close the bracket. So after that press enter button, so and then click on OK. So you can see count unique value is done. So you can see 8 values are counted, which is unique values. So you can see there are 8 unique values. So here are 2 names are of 2 times. So guys, in this way you can count unique values in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.